In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can easily brighten any image in Photoshop using two simple techniques. In the first technique, we start by duplicating the original layer. Then we add a solid color adjustment layer, set the color to white and click OK. Next, we change the layer's blend mode to soft white and lower the opacity. After that, we add the brightness adjustment layer and tweak the brightness and contrast according to the photo. Once done, we select all adjustment layers and group them, then add a layer mask. Finally, using a soft black brush with low opacity, we paint over areas that are too bright to balance the image. In the second technique, we duplicate the layer again and right-click to choose Convert to a Smart Object. Then, we go to Filter, Camera Filter. In the Basic panel, depending on your photo, we increase exposure, decrease highlights, increase shadows, and reduce whites and blacks. When everything looks good, we click OK. And that's it. 2 easy ways to brighten any photo in Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe to ZeeZad for more quick pro photo editing tips.